At Kautex, we are dedicated to enhancing the sustainability of our business processes and products. In 2024, we introduced our new Green Plus sub-brand to meet the demand for sustainable automotive products. Green Plus products contain at least out of 20% biomass or 25% recycled materials. The response has been very positive, with customers really appreciating our efforts to reduce traditional plastics. We already have recycled materials in the market since several years and taking the next step now with Green Plus products specifically in 2025. We are investing in R&D to lead the sustainable innovation. Jürgen and you, Mike, can give us some further insights.
Yes, at Kautex we apply recycled materials into our product portfolio to reduce carbon footprints and to close product life cycles. We continuously screen the global market for recycled materials, testing and verifying them to ensure the needed quality. In the funded project Gabriela, we investigate the recycling of our pentatonic high-voltage battery housings in cooperation with universities and industry partners. We have aged and recycled these components using mechanical recycling and solvent-based recycling technology. Now we are in the process to assess the performance of these materials. Additionally, we compare end-of-life disassembly of our products versus shredding whole assemblies and then separating it into material fractions. In the framework of CLEPA, collaboration is key to drive circularity to the next level.